Good morning everyone. Today 13th of August, 12th day in this quarantine center, second phase of our quarantine days. Natra, second phase ne. Our rooms are getting dirtier, so we plan to clean our room. So here we are. यहाँ पे clean हो रहा है. He's mopping the floor. Good job, Bob. Good job. Vare. And siri sing floor male. Sing floor le. Lani tanker lani atam le. Sing floor male to sing laite. Sing floor laite. So changwa ya ra tang fan laita bina khoi room se. Miss Khana looks like this for Krishna Janmashtami. They have prepared something different. ये है पनीर, खीर भी आया है, and this सी चार फजार नहीं ना तो उनसे उती शु यावे बाय उती यावे क्या कहीं हाई दो ना चितन से कोई नरंग सु फ्रे वक्त लगपने पूरी एंड पुलाव हाई दो रहा पुलाव हाई दो रहा पुलाव चखार थदुना Aigi lengjungda I nap the family boy Minglure Hang lava Atiyada Ye khagluba Nangi satam na thankare. Hello everyone, once again namaste sabalai. 16th of August today, 15 days in this quarantine center. Today we will be going for our test again, second test. This will be our second test. First test we all got negative except one from our building. So just not to take risks, we all were again extended for the quarantine for 7 days. And today again we will be going for the test. I never thought I will be completing 14 days in this quarantine center. Now we will be going today to CC Higher Secondary School again and we'll be doing the test. We are ready to go for the test. Okay, brother is also ready. Parang manunoy siya. Ako siya na ulit. Hello everyone, it's 17th of August today, 16th day in this quarantine center. Aduga 16th day sida today we will be getting our result of our testing, and probably by 7 in the evening we will be getting our result, and tomorrow hopefully we will be released from this quarantine center. Finally going home today. 18th of August, 17th day in this quarantine center. We got our result yesterday around 7:30 in the evening, and everyone in this building got negative result. So that means every one of us now will be released for home quarantine. Good news. So now I have to pack all these things and get ready to go home. Right? This is also done packing. मेरा भी almost.
Bye bye.
Noy ले यो. Go. Evening दिन आ सकता. This is where I was sleeping. I made this bed out of 3 benches. This is, and it's not labeled. It was so hard to sleep, but I slept here for 18 days. No, 17. 17 or 18. And it's wrap up now. Done. I have 3 luggage. This and that. Phone charger. Half 3. Phone charger. Oh, bro. Nangi power bank. Oh. Power bank lai re ma ge. Adu lai re. Si lamtoni khara sendo maga chapana phan. Oh, shoes ka ne. Shoes. And bro, bye. I'm leaving now. Done. And this is how the rooms look like. When I entered here, there was no bench and all here. I brought bench, everything from the other room, and I joined them and made a bed. And finally, the last view from this last time. Let's see the view. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will go home now. Namaste Sabla. I will keep you updated. Bye bye.